Alam, sir.
Batuta.
Sir, good morning. Good afternoon, sir.
Hi, sir.
Sir, kamusta, sir?
Okay naman, babalik kami ng Senate.
Sir, kamusta sir yung pakikipag-usap po natin kay Mr. Alcantara?
First part pa lang yun eh. We have to see him again within the week to finalize everything. Pero we did good work today. Meron kami mga inayos na dokumento. Nakasabit kami sa AMLAC ng mga dokumento kinakailangan para mag-freeze sila ng mga bank accounts.
Sir, did he commit on returning po yung kanyang mga...
Yes, we haven't gotten to the bottom of everything yet. Pero ando naman, the gesture for restitution is there.
Sir, may iba pa raw ba siyang sasabihin? May iba pang, kumbaga...
We have to prepare the questions that we want him to answer. Kasi dapat mag-homework din kami based on his statement and our research on what other things we need to know from him.
Sir, 2022 lang ba nagsimula talaga yung lahat po nung nangyari?
Yung sa kanya lang. Kasi he became, yung sa kanya statement kasi, nung nag-umpisa ang mga controversy niya, 2022, when he was DE of Malolos. But we will get other statements from the past, kung saan, tsaka yung forward-looking. Pero yung past, yun ang ating ina-examine.
May tinitignan po ba yung DOJ na iba pang pwedeng maging witness?
Yes, isa-isa yan. Some people, sabi ko sa inyo, will be very busy for the next few days. At tama kami. Yan, we will have to vet another one because we got a letter from a lawyer asking that we also consider Bryce Hernandez as a state witness.
Secretary,
Letter from a lawyer yan.
what are the statements po niya na that would qualify him sa WPP?
Sino?
Alcantara.
Hindi, I cannot comment on that yet. Hindi pa pwede. We have to vet everything before we make any comments or before we make decisions.
Kailan po siya babalik dito, sir? Kailan po babalik para...
Hopefully by Friday. Kasi pupunta kami ng sa ICI ako bukas eh. I'll have to go to the ICI. So, tuloy-tuloy ito. Basta we just keep on working.
Pero sir, nandito po yung mga diskaya bukas.
Friday.
Friday na.
Malamang Thursday. Tomorrow, Thursday or Friday. Baka Friday na. Para pagka wala na sa ICI.
Kailan, sir, possible ma-announce yung inclusion nila sa WPP?
Matagal pa yan. Marami pa tayong ikaw consider. We have to vet it properly kasi ano yan eh. Kailangan himayin natin yung buong yung buong problema. Bago tayo mamili talaga ng maayos na testigo sa lahat ng kinakailangan.
Sir, sa process lang po from ICI, yung kanilang investigation, yung result, ipapay po ba sa DOJ or agad sa korte? What will happen po if ever there is a...
Hindi, when the ICI turns over to us or to the Ombudsman's office, then things will start rolling. Siyempre sila masa-certify as to the facts that they obtain. Okay? So, yung sinabi ko kahapon. Okay, thank you.
Ay, sinabi ko.
Okay, sa space ha.
Makala po kayo, pero...